Hi there, superstars. Today I'm going to show you a super strategy for multiplication. Did you know that we can relate multiplication to addition? We already know that multiplication is the process of combining equal groups. Equal is the most important part of this concept. The groups must have the same amount in them. Combining is also a very important idea that lets us relate multiplication to addition. This is because they are both operations that put together, add up, or find a total amount. So multiplication and addition are related. They're like cousins. Let's see how. So equal groups look like groups that have the same amount in them. Let's see how this works in a problem. There were 3 children that each had 4 cookies. How many cookies did they have in all? So first we will create the groups. There were 3 children. Our children are the groups. There's child 1, child 2, and child 3. Next, the groups must have the same amount. So now we need to give each child the same amount of cookies. Child 1, child 2, and child 3 are all going to get 4 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 for child 3. Now they have equal groups. Each child has 4 cookies, so our multiplication number sentence for this problem is 3 groups of 4, or 3 times 4 equals. So now we want to find the answer, the product. We can count up all the cookies one by one, or we can add together the 4 cookies plus the 4 cookies plus the 4 cookies, like this. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals. And we know that 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 4 more equals 12. This is a shortcut for finding the combined or total amount, the product to the multiplication number sentence. Repeated addition is a way of solving a multiplication number sentence. So creating an addition number sentence that shows how many groups and how many in each group is a quick and easy way to find the answer or product to a multiplication problem. This is called the repeated addition multiplication strategy. Let's look again at this strategy and try it in another problem. If there were 4 lily pads and 2 frogs on each, how many frogs would there be altogether? So think, are my groups equal? I have 4 groups. 4 lily pads, yes. And I have 2 in each group. 2 frogs for lily pad 1, 2 for 2, 2 for 3, and 2 for 4. Let's try the strategy. The groups are equal. So the multiplication number sentence will be 4 times 2 equals what? So we'll make our groups with the 2 frogs on each. And now we can create a repeated addition number sentence to match this problem. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. That's right, the product is 8. Your turn. Let's use repeated addition to solve this problem. Thomas had 7 boxes of crayons. Each box had 5 crayons in it. How many crayons did Thomas have in total? Let's think. Are my groups equal? Do they have the same amount? Well, here's our 7 boxes of crayons. And it looks like there's 5 crayons in each box. So what would your number sentence look like? Well, the multiplication number sentence will be 7 groups of 5, or 7 times 5 equals. So to find the answer, you can write a repeated addition number sentence to solve it. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. What does that equal to? Let's count to make sure that we have 7 5s to stand for the 7 boxes of crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, just wanted to check that. We want to always be accurate. Now, all we're going to do is add up those 5s. What is your product? That's right, 35. 7 groups of 5 is equal to 35. One more time. Use repeated addition to solve the problem. Mary bought 3 bags of jelly beans. Each bag contained 50 jelly beans. How many jelly beans did Mary have altogether? Think. Are my groups equal? Well, if you've noticed, the word clue each has been highlighted in red every problem. Each is a word clue that shows us that the groups are equal. There's my first bag, my second bag, and my third bag, and they all look identical to each other. We know those groups are the same. The multiplication number sentence will be 3 times 50 equals what? So the repeated addition number sentence will be 50 plus 50 plus 50 equals, do you know? Add them up. What do you get? That's right, 150 jelly beans. What did we learn about multiplication and repeated addition today? We learned that repeated addition is a way to find a product for a multiplication number sentence. Think of the number of groups and how many are in each group. Repeat the number in each group as many times as the number of groups. So for example, 5 groups of 4 is the same as 5 times 4, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals. Then just do the addition and you will have your total, which is your product. Repeated addition is just one of several strategies to use for multiplication. You can use this strategy whenever you need help figuring out a product, and you can watch the video below to help you remember your learning today. Hope you have a great day.